15th of October, and I want to show you something. We had Fireball Tim made the official Gary Wales Collection coloring book, and he's done like 34 of them. We're it now, and I want to show you what this is. Excuse the dirty hands. We've been working all day, aluminum, and having a hell of a time. Anyway, you'll be able to see what we're doing here. This is the official book, and what's amazing, Fireball Tim is unbelievable. You know, he came over and I sent him photographs of the different cars that I've made and had over the years. Here's the blue train you can see, but we want to show you what they look like when they are being worked on and actually colored. Kyra did this. Let me just show you a couple things. And tomorrow we will be, here's a good one for you. You can see what it is. This is what he does. I thought he did this with a computer. He doesn't. He does this freehand and does the whole thing with all the scenes and settings and everything. It's absolutely bloody amazing.
It's beautiful.
I mean, he does beautiful work, and it takes a hell of a lot of time to do it. Anyhow, we've got 20-some pieces in here to color, and you can get the pencils for $1 at the dollar store. And you can see Kyra's been working on these. This was some of the proof sheets that he sent over, and they're really fantastic. This is Andreas's coloring book. But anyway, we're going to be over at, and oh, here's the beast right here. And we showed him and mocked it up in paper to show him what we wanted on it. And you can see, there it is. This is basically what it's going to look like. And you'll be able to color it yourself. You make the car any color you want. It's really cool. Fireball Tim, he does this by hand. I can't believe it. I thought it was done with a computer. No, wrong. And pretty soon you're gonna be able to color all these and see the real cars. Take a look on here. Look on the engine compartment. It's absolutely amazing. We make the body out of cardboard. We just finished making a cover for the exhaust manifold, and you can see all the beautiful work that's been done in here. Andreas has popped all that around. It's a lot of it's bling bling, but we're the king of bling, and that's what we do. So anyhow, I want to invite you all to come on down to Magnolia, to Burbank Auto Books, and that is Tina Van Kuren and her husband are hosting us, and we're going to be there on Sunday in the afternoon. And they'll have some coloring books there, and you can come on down and meet us, and we'll talk to you and show you what we're doing and having some fun. Anyway, it's all fun. You can tell we do our own work. Andreas and I are the guys that build these cars, design them, and make them right from the ground up. And the coloring book is just full of all these different things. We thank Kyra for coloring it in to show you what it's like. And you can see we're a little messy, but you know, if you're doing work, you are messy. So anyway, thank you, and we'll see you tomorrow, we hope.